Welcome to this in-depth review of Dropbox Cloud Storage. If you're new to cloud storage and wondering how Dropbox works or if it's the right fit for your needs, this video will break down everything in simple, clear terms. Dropbox is one of the leading cloud storage providers, known for its user-friendly interface and reliable file syncing across multiple devices. But is it the right choice for you? Let's go over the main features, pricing, pros, and cons to help you decide. Firstly, Dropbox provides a seamless way to store and share files securely. Whether you're using it for personal storage, collaborative work, or business, Dropbox structure is intuitive. You simply upload files to the cloud, and they're accessible from any device with an internet connection. Dropbox file syncing technology is smooth, so any updates made to files on one device are immediately reflected on others linked to your account. This makes Dropbox a top choice for teams and individuals who need reliable file synchronization. Dropbox offers several pricing plans, including free and paid tiers. For personal use, Dropbox free plan includes 2 GB of storage, suitable for small files and photos. But for anyone handling larger files, the paid plans are more practical. Paid options range from the Plus plan with 2 TB of storage to professional plans with more advanced features like large file transfer capabilities and enhanced security. Pricing can vary, so it's essential to review your needs before choosing a plan. One of the key advantages of Dropbox is its straightforward sharing and collaboration features. You can create shared folders, assign permissions, and allow users to view or edit files. Dropbox also has excellent security protocols, including 2-factor authentication and data encryption, helping to keep your files safe from unauthorized access. However, Dropbox is not without its downsides. Storage upgrades can get costly compared to other cloud services, and its pricing may not always offer the best value for those who require massive storage. It's also worth noting that while Dropbox has powerful tools, they are more limited on the free plan. In short, Dropbox is a robust and well-rounded cloud storage option, ideal for users who prioritize seamless file access and reliable syncing. If you're ready to invest in long-term cloud storage without annual fees, buy 10 TB of cloud storage forever at the link in the description. For anyone curious about cloud storage, Dropbox is a user-friendly entry point, though it's wise to consider both its advantages and costs before deciding. Subscribe to this channel for more honest reviews and cloud storage insights.